today we are going to clean the cars. We're starting off with the Kraton. By the way, this is right after we took the cars out to the park and we had fun and stunts. You've got to check it out if you haven't already. So inside here, all of this is waterproof. So you can just hose that off.
Not all of it.
We would be dunking it in water, but we don't have a tray that big. So, let's get started. So you get these little bits inside the tyres. They get all messy inside now. Just got to go all over it at first, like this. And then you can really get into the little detailed bits. And you can see the suspension bits here. They're getting all dirty. You've got to hose them off too. And the tyres, they get all muddy from all of the stuff that you do, depending on where you take it out. We're usually going in mud, so you're going to hose it off real good. And you've got to flip it over to get the bottom, because that's probably the most dirty bit. It's got all that stuff in there. You're going to spin these tyres around and get them. And if you can look at the bumper here, that's all mucked up. You've got to get that. Right, now that we're done with the body, we can actually, sorry guys, not done. I almost missed this. You've got to get the back of here. Feel that mud. Doesn't matter. We can get that off later with the spray. With the bucket there. Right. Now that we've done the car itself, we're going to move on to the body shell. You've got to go lighter with this one. By the way, we've used Gorilla Tape in here. It's the toughest there is. £10 a roll on eBay. It's got stickers on here. That doesn't really matter. See here? It's got this one here. That doesn't come off that easily. Alright, so guys, the next step to cleaning your car is you've got to get a soapy water here and a sponge. Scrub all of this stuff out that can't be used with a hose, like the tyres. So you get this and you sort of get on that and scrub away. Always have the table slanting away from you, so if you do spill any water, it'll go that side and not onto you. You got to get in between these cracks and stuff. You've also got to get the fin here. So the fin is very, very dirty, usually, but it's really easy to clean. And you've also got to do these suspension bits here. See, they're real dirty. You've got mud and stuff on them. Also got this bit here, which holds up. Which is held up by this and this, which connect onto these, which hold up the suspension. This is all aluminium, by the way. Not the entire car, but these bits here. You've got to get the mud guards. basically all of the metally bits, because otherwise they'll start to rust. After a lot of work, we've finally got the top of this car all clean. Right, now it's time to go onto the bottom. So you see that? You see all that muck on there? Get all stuff like here. Actually, this looks quite good. See that? Inside here and stuff. Gets all messy. It's where the mud can fit in. You get lots of scratches on here from doing flips and stuff. By the way, this soap we're using, it's just the usual soap you would use for like just washing up and stuff. Washing up cars, RC cars. We finished doing the body. We're gonna dry it now, because we can't have our car being wet like this all the time. It'll get rusty and it won't be very good for it. Alright, so now that we have cleaned the car, we've now got to dry it. So first we've got to start off with the wheels, because they get extremely wet. You've got to get all of the insides, all this here. While you're drying it off, you can also scrub some stuff off. Like you can see mud right in there, like dusty bits. These plates here. It's probably the easiest part to dry, but it gets the most wet. So we're gonna have to use a smaller towel here. Just get this inside here. We're going to do the shock towels now. Dry these off, they get real wet. Some of the bits you can't get, like in here. It's alright, you can just leave them or dry out. So you've got to leave it to dry out for a bit. We just dried off the car. Now we're going to use this stuff. This is multi-purpose. You can use that. It cleans the little bits that you can't clean with the hose. It also stays onto the metal and it stops it from rusting. Right, so you use this stuff and you can spray it on the car, like in little bits here. It goes out really quickly, so you've got to make sure you keep it far away from the car. You got to make sure it doesn't get in here, because that could really mess it up. This bit here. So don't point it in now. So you can buy this stuff on eBay for that. I reckon it's about 20 quid. It's great. Based on ingredients, 99% from recycled. So by buying this, you're saving the environment. Right, now we're gonna dry this stuff. We've got to get it all clean. Right, so if you're getting real tired of cleaning your car, then just buy a packet of pizza chips. I mean, man, these taste so good. Straight from Japan. They taste just like pizzas. Dude. So good. So that was just a break, you know. Have the pizza chips. Anyway, let's get back to the car. So we've got to dry this off. All of the little bits. Just dry it off. It does stay on here though. So it does stop it from rusting. You gotta get it right in there. Like on these little rods and stuff. Also, leave a comment down below. Do you want to see a review of these? Guys, we got the crates in here and we got the outcasts over there. You have to always remember to clean up after yourselves. Even in these sort of situations, you know, it can make a big mess. We've got one right here. Remember to clean up after yourselves, which not most of us do, but start to. It's good. Thank you guys all very much for watching. Be sure to have some pizza chips. Goodbye, guys. Have a nice day.